Disneyland, California Adventure.
The trifecta.
You had 2 baddies in there? Or no? Oh, you got Canadian bacon.
Fuck yeah.
Probably should have gotten a bigger one. This is $9. ¿Para las dos nomás?
I want to drink Miches.
Okay. We're gonna get some drinks over there, California. Okay, we're good. Drink it. Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck it.
It's good. Round 2? Round 2? Round 2? That's good. Am I ready? It's closed right now, babe. It's too cold. Yeah, but I mean, I drink a good amount. You good? I don't learn. I should just.
Why would you smell it?
I don't.
Disneyland, California Adventures.
This just tastes like shit.
Can you just drink it?
It's warm. The tequila's fucking warm.
What the fuck is going back and forth?
Where are they? Pero last week though.
Yeah, last 3 weeks.
I have it ready.
I can't.
Are you serious?
Parece que se me quita el asco.
That wasn't that bad, was it? Macaroni and cheese. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that actually looks good. If I, ate meat.
Yeah. And then I did it backwards.
That shit fucking threw me. Shit, hold on tight. It's like remote control. Is it magnetic?
Yeah, the floor.
Kind of hurts my butt. Dude, it's not head. Listen to telling me.
Giovanni, hai vinto! Io lavoro le cose, piccolo!
Hey, hey. Espérame, cabrón. Are we gonna take a picture here and then buy the cutest one?
Chug that shit. Don't bitch out like the michelada.
It was fucking cold. This shit is cold too. I probably won't do the whole thing, but I'll do some of it. Alright. It's fucking cold. Like, I can feel it burning my throat. Alright, round two.
Todo, fondo, more, a little bit more.
I can't. I'm so full.
Fuck.
Told you.
It is cold.
Drina, kill it. Kill it, 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 fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh hell no. I went first.
Yeah, and then I went second. So now you go again.
No, that's not fair.
Tug. Half and half. Just half.
Am I ready? Okay.
Para arriba, para abajo, para el centro y para adentro. Half of it. You can do it. Don't even think about it. Chon. Yeah, that's half.
It's not half.
Oh, it's half.
But it's really cold.
I thought it was, sorry.
I'm getting tipsy. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I need to drink I don't want to drink that IPA though.
You have to. Drink a little more, hurry up.
Sweet Jesus.
Yakuza.
I have. I don't want to drink anymore. I'm done.
No, here.
You wanted the strongest one. I got you an IPA. Go, but not go, because then I have to drink. Go. Chug. The whole thing. That's not half. You still need a little bit more.
I know it's cold.
I told you. No.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Fondo.
But this is IPA.
Solo también pues sí.
Not Okay. Oh.
All of it. Just don't even think about it. Hold your nose. Hold your nose. Down, 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 and down. All of it. All of it. It's not.
I'm gonna call it
Hurry up.
10-minute break.
And we'll be right back after these commercial breaks.
Ya estoy acabada. No, I'm not acabada. I'm not drunk. But I can still taste the beer.
Finish it.
I can taste the beer from my beer. Hey, but that one's much lighter. I'll drink that one instead. Chug, 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 chug.
You want to try it?
Yeah. We're now taking a break so Alejandrina can rest. We'll be right back. And we're back with Alejandrina drinking her beer. Dun, 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 dun.
Cheers.
Chug, 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 chug. Ew, how did you do that?
That's not bad.
Oh. Say.
Let's just see like LOL on our way.
Your turn. Trina, no. It's yours.
Check it. I can check mine in a heartbeat. Yours is the one that's a battle.
There's a puddle. Did you spill my drink?
Did you? I didn't.
No, but it's been sitting there the entire time.
Okay.
Oh no. I'm gonna go slower. Go slower. No. Drink the whole thing. Drink the whole thing. Drink the whole thing. Chug, 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 chug. That's my driver. Oh. I'm not drinking that. I'm not drinking that much.
What the fuck, Jazz? What the fuck, Jazz?
I was tipsy.
No, now you're buzzed. Clearly. Let me tip my hat.
Take a couple inhales. A couple Hail Marys. Padre Nuestros. We're good. I'm ready for a nap.
Drink like up to mine. Like
Arriba, what is it? Para arriba,
para
para
abajo,
abajo,
para el centro, para adentro. Fondo, fondo, fondo. Breathe. Then we'll come back. The bathroom's right there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. It's different kind of beer, you bitch.
You did that to me.
Yeah, it was the same. What do they do?